Hello guys, YouTube. Just like to try help some people having problem with the gear shifting. As you guys know, when you start and it doesn't release, so I want to make the video short. As you know, this is the release key, temporary. I have tried to change sensor, clean up wire clips, many things didn't work. So follow my second video. This is my first video. If it help, if it work, I will post second video. I think the only solution for this is I got one used one from junkyard, the whole assembly. Just to help you guys, this shift cannot come up. You have to open 13mm screws, 1, 2 and 3 in this way, and the corner 2 more. And then too bad you have to open your Cadillac converter, and then this wire here, if you don't like to open, it goes under the steering. You gotta unhook that, and the gear cable, of course, it goes right to the engine. So you don't have to change that, but since I just got in junkyard everything, as you can see, if you don't want to change your cable to make it easier, this is just rusty, that's why you just gotta open under this 4 bolt, and then you could unhook your gear shift cable. So let's see, I'm gonna second the post video if it works. Hopefully it's gonna help you guys.